Hello, so this is my video for my Internet of Things project. The topics I'll be focusing on is who, what, why, and how. And so my name is Elle McIntyre. I am a student of ATU and doing software and electronic engineering. My project is a smart lock security system. And the reasons why I chose this to be my project is it meets the goals of 11 and 12, which focus on safety, resilience, and sustainability for the future. Goal 11 is the idea of making the future safer, and especially in our homes, I feel like that is a place we should definitely feel safe and not have to worry about. And goal 12 encourages sustainability and recyclability. So that's what I'll be using in my project. And here is the architecture diagram. So here you can see the ESP in the middle. And then on the left hand side, you can see the door lock mechanism with a display to show the code and a fingerprint sensor to open and close the door as well. And then I'll also be using a website. So it will explain a bit more about the project and a code that can be sent to the display unit to be put in. The parts I'm using is an ESP32, a fingerprint sensor, keypad, LCD display, and a POT 10K. And here's my project so far. So I do not have a video of it working. Unfortunately, the only thing I could get up on it now is um just black dots on the screen, black boxes. So I've been trying to work on that. So hopefully I'll be able to get that working in the next few days as well. But for it turns on and the wiring connects, and then here is my code for it. I'll be going through this on Monday as well. But just so what it was supposed to do was print out a hello world message to the LCD display. And then this is just all my pins set up to talk to read in. But hopefully I can get it working. So thank you so much for listening. That's my project so far.